Use the sound if you own any fidget toys. Show off a red fidget toy. Show off a squishy. Show off any textured fidget toy. Show off a DIY fidget toy. Show off a fidget toy you recommend. Show a fidget toy that gets dirty easily. Show off any slime or putty. Show a yellow fidget toy. Show a quiet fidget toy. Show off a loud fidget toy. Show a fidget toy that's just eh. Show off one of your favorite fidget toys. A fidget toy that's broken. Show off one of your least favorite fidget toys. Show off a fidget toy you don't think that much people have. Show off a fidget toy that breaks easily. Show your first fidget toy. And then finally, show off one of your latest fidget toys.